Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another Davis Me's video. In this video, we're going to keep building our e-commerce site. We're going to specifically working on finish our create shop feature and add and implement add merchandise feature as well. So let's go ahead and start where we left off from last video. Which is, let's see if I can find, let me just close this file, unnecessary. Okay, so in here, what we're gonna do is we stuck a little bit at upload our logo image. So what we'll do is this, we're gonna go ahead and install, install a new library called Cloudinary. Cloudinary is going to be our image upload API. So if we go here, this is our Cloudinary page. Alright, so if you go to cloudinary.com, because this is the home page, we're going to use this for manage our images upload. This look like something like that. We can also click, you need to go and register an account. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. Alright, so once you are on this page, what you need to do next is click on the settings icon and then click on security, and here get your API key and your API secret. You can click on API secret to view it, and copy this API key. Once you're finished, we'll talk about where to use them. So you can paste it in somewhere, just waiting for to be used. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna go ahead and say import Cloudinary, uploader, import Cloudinary.api in this order. And then what we want to say is this. We want to say Cloudinary.config. This is where you will put your information here. So first is cloud name. Cloud name is just going to be your username here. So it's going to be Boyan12 in this case. We're also going to have an API key. You're going to put your API key here. For me, I'm just going to use the environment variable. Here I'm going to say os.getInv Cloudinary API key. I already set up beforehand. And then here I'm also going to say API secret equals to os.getInv Cloudinary. Comment there. So Cloudinary API secret. Alright. Okay, once we configured it, we can just go ahead and use it. Alright. So let's go and finish our template first. So we got the name, and in here we're gonna say name equals to description. And in here I want to say name equals to logo. Alright, and in here I want to say ink type, and I want to say multi-part form data, since it also consists of uploaded file and method going to be post. Alright, once we finish typing all this stuff, in here let's go associate a route with it then. So in here we can say pass create shop use.create shop. So wait to reload, and in here what we can go is we can go to sellers slash create shop. Alright, let's go and remove this disabled sign here. Or read only. Let's refresh one more time. Alright, there we go. So I can go and type stuff here and type the logo. Let's go and add a button for submit. Button type equals to submit. class is button primary. It's our some bootstrap button class, and here we're just gonna say submit. All right. So now let's go ahead and implement backend for this route. So let's see, do we create a model yet? Yes, we do. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is in here we're just gonna we import it? No, we didn't import it. So let's go ahead and import shop class we created. And in here, you're gonna say name. Oops, not in here. You're gonna say name request.post name description equals to request.post description. And then here we're also gonna say this. So this is to get the two information that users need. They're submitted. Let's see what else do we need. So we also need a logo. I think here also need to have a user ID, right? Because we need to know like which users is associated with that. So let's say migrate. All right, let's go and run the server again. Okay, so let's see. So now we're gonna work on this. Gonna actually upload a file. Upload the image pretty simple. We're gonna say r equals to cloudner because it's gonna return JSON data. Dot uploader dot upload. And then here we're gonna put our file here, which is gonna be request.files. Let me double check the name side. It's logo. Upload this logo file. And image URL gonna be r.art bracket secure URL. That's gonna be the image URL. Okay? You can feel free to discover more using this R. Take a look what other object return as well. But for now, that's the only thing we're worried about. Yeah, we don't have any. So now let's go ahead and store that in the shop. First, okay, let's go ahead and say name. Name equals to name. Description equals to description. Logo equals to image URL. User ID equals to request.user.id. All right, once we finish, let's go save, and then let's say return HTTP response redirect. Let's go say Django.http import HTTP response redirect. I just want to redirect to seller's homepage. All right. Okay, let's go and see if this works. Let me just refresh the page, because that's not really serious. So, example shop, some description. Let's choose a file. I'm just gonna choose this. I don't think. Actually, no. Never mind. This is a GIF. Or not. Is there any better image? I should probably get the image beforehand. I do have like a lot of image. You know what? We're actually gonna use this. Let's go ahead and use this this smile page. And then let's go ahead and click on submit. See what error do we got. Which surprisingly we didn't get any error. Alright, so Now in the index, we're gonna say this. We're gonna say shops equals to shop.objects.filter. And in here, let's put request here. So in here, we're also gonna say user ID equals to request.user.id. You're gonna say return render request seller / index.html. And here I'm gonna say shops. All right. Let's go ahead and create a file called index.html. Let's go ahead and copy, paste, remove this form. And in here, let's say h1 shops you own. And in here, let's say for s in shops and for, and in here, let's say s.name. And while this page is loading, we're gonna go get Bootstrap. What do you mean by? Oh, shoot, yeah, I forgot to implement index route. Comma, say comma views.index. Alright, now I'm going to reload. Let's go refresh. And in here, we're gonna go get the card. Should be no surprise by now if you're watching my tutorials and project videos specifically. I use card like all the time for Bootstrap. Alright, we got an example shop. Nice. So let's go ahead and get the card feature. Let's see. Alright. I don't know if I still remember how to do this. I think in here I need to say div class is a row, right? No. Command X, Command V. Okay, looks good. Alright. Just indent this. Alright. GSRC. Logo. Alright. Logo. Actually, here we're just gonna say as that name. As the alt. Cart title. As the name. Cart text gonna be as the description. I don't think we need any of this, but we might need this. So we're gonna say view items. And here we're gonna say slash shop slash as the UID. And then UID or shop ID. Okay. All right. I can remove this. All right. So let's go refresh. Shops your own. All right. Nice. So in here, you can just click on view items, so you can view the items. All right. Let's see. So we still have 15 minutes if I estimated correctly. Now we're about to add merchandise. So here we're gonna say class merchandise. How do I spell merchandise? Merchandise. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how I spell it. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna call this item. All right. Here, you're gonna have item ID. The default equals to uid.uid4. Unique is true. Okay. And each of them we will have. Then you have the name of the item. Max length is. We need to also have the description. We'll also have the price. Right, so what we're gonna work on is I'm not gonna work on like how exactly Amazon do it. So like each item may have like different category, like different colors of an item, different size. Do you want to work on that? I mean, yeah, let's work on that. Actually, no, I'm not gonna worry about that. Yeah, like they could create multiple items for that. But price, of course, also need a shop ID, which is gonna be a UID field. Okay. Okay. Make this a float field. So yeah. Alright. Let's go ahead and make migration. So here, let's say Python manage.py, make migrations. Manage.py migrate. Sweet. Run the server again. Okay, so let's go and implement that. We're gonna see if we have hopefully have enough time. So here, let's just say add item. And in here, we're gonna say request a message equals to post. Okay. Actually, there might be a few more to go with this. In here, I'm gonna say item picture. And in here, I can associate with UID field. Okay, item picture. And then chart field. Okay. Let's see. All right. So let's go figure out how to add in. Okay, maybe we cannot finish it today. Try one, keep it between 20 minutes, around 20 minutes. So here we can say seller. Let's say add item.html. What do we want? So we want the name. Right, we want the name. Description, yes. We also need a price. So that I want to take a look down Bootstrap. How Bootstrap had like different inputs. Forms will also work. Let's say $sign. Okay, maybe let's go import group because we really want to take a look. Yep, this $sign. So let's go ahead and add a field here. Okay, so missing the div. But that's not needed. There we go. So images. I need to think about how like images should exactly work. So like they could add like multiple images if they want to. So cap, let's put a cap. Cap is 9. They can maximally have 9 images. Maximum have 9 images. So basically then they could just keep adding until they have like 9 images or something. Okay, so that's gonna require a little bit JavaScript. Let's see, let's just get this template finished today, hopefully. So in here, let's just say create a button. So add more images. So in here, let's say ID more. So here, let's say document dot get element ID more dot unclick equals to gonna say and they're gonna create a new div. Right? Inner HTML going to be this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do a backslash. You know what? We're gonna finish it next video. So we're gonna finish like this, how we work with this div, how to add like more images, stuff like that in next video. This video maybe is shorter than that other one, but it's good because I'm gonna keep it around 20 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. So next we're gonna finish this app merchandise, hopefully. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Somebody comment down want me to re-record Twilio SMS in like this better resolution. I will think about that. Hopefully I can re-record one and get upload as soon as possible. But thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed or liked this video yet, please do that if you want to. Thank you very much. Thank you for generous support. Otherwise, stay safe. Have a nice day. All right. Bye-bye.